So I created this makeup look today morning only for an event. Of course, I wanted to record it for you guys, so I just sat down to film everything, and guess what happened? My camera battery wasn't charged. I do not have a backup or anything like that, so I was super bummed. But anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram whether you want me to recreate this look or not. You guys absolutely loved the look, so I thought of recreating for you guys. Like you saw from the title of this video, I'm gonna do this whole face of makeup under 15 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So before even beginning with the makeup, I'm gonna prep my skin. So I've cleansed my skin using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser already. It gets rid of all the dirt and impurities so beautifully without ripping away the moisture. It maintains the pH level of your skin. You can also use this cleanser even if you have sensitive skin types. It is very safe. I'm gonna moisturize my skin using the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. You guys know I absolutely love this moisturizer with or without makeup. And with makeup, it acts as a beautiful pre-makeup base. It hydrates your skin and preps for your makeup so beautifully. Makeup on top sits pretty well. Also gonna apply a little bit of lip balm. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in a lemon variant. So I've got my timer right here and let's get started. Alright, there we go. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I'm using the PAC eyebrow kit here. I'm gonna apply the primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'll put the exact product details in the description box. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the primer and apply it. This dries pretty fast, so I just have to go in with the other base products on top. I don't have to wait. Alright, I cannot find my orange corrector. Give me a minute. Okay, I've got my PAC Rusty Orange Color Corrector. I'm just gonna apply it. I've got my damp beauty blender here and quickly blend it out. By the way, I have all the products set up right in front of me just to save the time. I think that looks fine. Alright, moving on to foundation, I'm taking my Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hour Flawless Foundation. So I'm just gonna take that and apply some on the cheeks, on the forehead, nose, chin, and try to blend it out using a Real Techniques brush. Adding more foundation because this has a bit of a sheer coverage. I like having at least medium coverage for events and parties, so I'm just building up the foundation. Oh my god, my arms literally hurt, you guys. They're having a nice workout session at the moment. Whatever is left, I'm just gonna run it on the neck. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just go over to make sure that everything looks seamless. Alright, next I'm gonna take my K-Beauty Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade 160N, and just apply it to highlight and conceal a little bit. I love shaping my brows, so not gonna skip that. That's it. Take my favorite PAC concealer blending brush and quickly blend it out. Okay, I've got about 9 minutes more. I can see a bit of orange here, so just going over on that area. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend it one more time. Alright, now I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty loose powder. Take it on my sponge and press it down like that. I'm not really baking, I'm just setting the areas where I put the concealer. For the rest of the face, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury compact powder and just apply it. I'm getting a call, you guys. Give me a minute. Call will be recorded for security and training purposes. I lost a few seconds there. Alright, moving on. I'm gonna take my bronzer again, which is not here. So here we go. I'm taking my Rimmel bronzer, just applying it to the perimeters of my face. I've got about 6.5 minutes. Alright. Okay, for blush, I'm taking my K Beauty Soft Nude blush. This hair is seriously annoying me. Blusher is on. For highlight, I'm taking my Glowish compact powder and I'm gonna take my setting brush and just pop it on the cheeks for that natural glow. This is perfect for daytime because my skin is already oily, so this works as a beautiful daytime highlight. Moving on to the eyes. I'm taking the liquid eyeliner from Too Faced and draw a winged eyeliner. Alright, now I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow. This one is from Kiko. Let me open it up. And I'm gonna take an angled brush and just apply it here to make it look more smoky. Also applying it to the lower lash line. Alright, the eyes are almost done. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. £10 each. For mascara, I'm taking my Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced again. And just okay, mascara is on. I'm gonna do the lips now. Using the Swiss Beauty Maroon lip liner. For lipstick, yeah, I've got my 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte lipstick from Lakme. This is the shade Burgundy Passion. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I legit mix so many lipsticks in the morning. I'm not gonna do that right now. Applying a little bit of that. And on the top, I'm going to take my KIRO Nutmeg Nude liquid lipstick and just apply that. Alright, I'm actually done. So I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, give it a quick shake and lock my makeup, and I'm basically done. I just have to put the bindi, but I've got a few more seconds with me. Yay, I'm so proud. I was able to create this look within 15 minutes with so much of disturbance in between, but I really like how it turned out. It's very, very close to the look that I created in the morning. So yeah, let me finish the rest of the look and come back to you guys. Oh, the timer ran. So we are on time. Alright you guys, I'm back. So I didn't do much. I just put on a bindi and removed those clips. And this is how I look. Honestly, I am super proud of how the look turned out within 15 minutes. It's so simple yet so beautiful and polished and put together. Perfect for any kind of event. You can wear this for weddings, parties, whatever you want. This is a perfect daytime makeup look for any kind of event. So I absolutely loved creating this video for you all. I have never tried any kind of makeup challenges or something on my YouTube channel. So it was a lot more fun for me to do this video for you all. The look has turned out exactly the same as it turned out in the morning, or in fact a little bit better. Love, love, love the outcome. I really hope that you guys also had fun watching this video on my channel. I tried something which I have never tried in the past. All the products that I use in today's video will be mentioned in the description box in case you're wondering. If you enjoyed watching this video, you know exactly what to do. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!